Welcome! In front of me I have Lenovo Smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to set up the alarm clock on this device. To set up the alarm clock on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Lenovo Live application. Once the devices are paired, open the Lenovo Live application. In the application, tap on profile icon, select your Ego device from the list of devices, and here tap on alarm. And right here we can set up the alarm clock. As you can see, we have pre-existing ones. We can turn them on and off by tapping on the switch like this. We can tap on the alarm to edit it, and here we can basically change the time, set the hour, minutes, and AM and PM, I believe. I don't know why it's in this language, but it is. You can also tap on repeat, and here we can select the days on which the alarm is gonna be ringing. We can check them basically like that. And once you're done, you can go back. You can also change the label for the alarm, and you can type in something you want. Then tap done. No, for some reason it didn't save. Oh, you need to tap confirm. Okay. And once you're done, tap save to save your alarm, like this. And I believe you can remove the alarms. Yeah, you can only use all the 5 alarms right here, so you can edit them and customize them, but you can't remove them and you can't add any more. And of course, you can disable them like I said before and enable them right here. And that's how you set up the alarm clock on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.